Ageless Health, an integrated whole-person approach to health and wellness. Join us as we follow 6 powerful stories of people who suffered long-term pain and personal anguish when traditional care failed them.
By the time I started senior year of high school, I was spending maybe 5 out of 7 days being transported to the hospital from school. It became a point where everything that I was eating would just cause my tongue to hit the roof.
She's a lady who had everything that was starting to cascade one to the other and breaking down each system.
It was about 75, 80 pounds of gear that we were wearing, plus 35-foot ladder. I'd be throwing 144 pounds. It wears and tears on the body.
Maintenance care is important for several different reasons. When you get injured or when something happens to you, it's important to correct it as soon as possible. When it's something acute and you fix it the right way from the beginning, you have less of a chance of it becoming something chronic later on down the line.
My symptoms were high cholesterol. Also, I had headaches and also sometimes stiff neck and blurred vision.
As a chiropractic applied kinesiologist, one of the things that we consider when we have a patient with migraines is the skull itself. The skull is made up of 22 bones that houses the brain and basically sits like a tongue and groove. And during the course of the day, these bones millimetrically move to pump what we call the cerebral spinal fluid all the way around the brain, down the spinal cord, down to the bottom part of our body, throughout all the nerves, and then back up.
I went in and I did allergy testing right in the beginning, and I came up positive for almost every chemical that they tested for.
I'd like to give you a list of the Dirty Dozen, and that basically are the 12 most common foods that we would consume. Keeping the blood sugars balanced means keeping proteins in small quantities throughout your day, spaced evenly out, along with balancing them with carbohydrates, vegetables, fruits, and starches. Not overdoing a meal at one time. A very large meal is very difficult for people to digest, no matter how good their digestion is. But not skipping meals either, because that creates an inflammatory crisis within the body.
For 8 weeks, I attend therapy for 3 days a week and have 0 results. I am out of tennis for 2 months.
Bring it.
In Pat's case, what we just did was to help restore balance into her system. She has a lot of inflammation because she has an injury, and so we're helping reduce inflammation as well, helping with the pain that she's experiencing right now. The points that I put on her hands and her feet are called the 4 gates, and that helps move chi throughout the whole body, and it helps bring balance to the system.
You gotta realize that for the last 3 years, he's been in pain every day.
About 60 to 70% of my practice is family-oriented. I treat the mom, the dad, and the children. I think it's really, really important for everybody to be on the same page, because with what we do, we're changing people's lifestyles.
The triad of health is structural, chemical, and emotional. It represents the 3 stresses that work interrelatedly within the body.
To me, Ageless Health means that no matter what your condition is, your disease, or even if it's just a minor problem, that you have the ability to make that change.
Ageless Health is helping not just one person, but the whole family in every aspect of their life.
Ageless Health is real. It's achievable.
Ageless Health is being free of ailments and mental illness and physical illness.
Ageless Health is me. It's me, it's now.
Ageless Health has given me my life back.
Discover how you can experience Ageless Health for yourself.